How we good? We doing good straight? Come to the corner.
Alright, cover me. I'm going to take that fucking thing up.
What's up?
You ready?
For what?
Smile.
Hey, watch that side of you. Hey.
How you feel about that?
We got friendlies in there with the corner.
They're still shooting. I'm sorry.
That's why you need a red rag and like wave it out before you step out.
Good footage though. Scared. I'm just gonna continue going this way.
Yep.
The guys over there are probably screwed. They legit just set up over here. With another guy here who has a gun malfunction. What's going on?
Oh, nothing much. My gun got stuck. I can
Here.
fix it.
Here.
Yeah, I think something got.
What I can suggest you do is take it to the barn and see
Gotcha.
what they can do, alright?
Awesome. Thank you.
Good luck.
Come,
Hi.
Come. Get out of the way. Hey, Pat, on this corner. Come on.
God, that's scary.
Pat, we need you here. Right on the corner. Keep it right on the corner.
And he's back. From the dead. I'm cutting that out, by the way, now. Are y'all taking fire?
Ready?
Hey! No tree line. Stay in the town. Side. Nibbles. Hold fire, crossing bridge.
There's a guy behind these bushes right here.
It's not.
There is. I saw him before you took the picture of him.
I didn't take a picture of him at the video.
Same thing.
Not really. Huh?
Oh, not you.
What's over your mouth?
Huh?
What's over your mouth?
Metal mesh.
That's cool.
Get the crap out of his head.
Back here sniping, I see.
What?
Back here sniping, I see.
Yeah.
I'm trying to scare everybody when I'm recording. You hear me times I get shot?
Probably a lot.
No, I think my iPod got shot. Hey. Do you not see this? God. Right there, damn. I have to take that out.
Door, watch out. Keep running.
Hey, look at camera. Nice. Excuse me?
Are they all behind the container?
Yeah, they're pushing us that.
He was around.
No, I see guys.
Turn the corner, come in the corner. Nobody's here. These are in town games. They're not allowed on second or third floor, any floor, and that is the game. Now they're switching sides, and we're gonna see it from the beginning. I'm gonna go to the usher, hopefully before they start. That hurt.
Huh?
Give me right here.
Dude, you wouldn't believe it. I just took out like 4 guys, ran right through
Yeah,
them.
I was one of them.
I thought you were
one of us, dude.
We're switching again?
Yep.
All right.
I'm gonna keep away from you.
Oh, come on now. What did I do?
You almost shot me. You want a Dodge truck? You guys over here going to the north side. Now we're going upstairs on the outside of the usher, the outside staircase. Look at all of them just switching. Oh, that's fine. Who cares? Let's go to south side and see how this is all set up. The video will be a little shaky because I probably will start running with them. So, sorry about the quality. Again, I'm doing this when I'm not going. Please forgive me. No, you got shot a few times.
Huh?
You got shot a few times.
Trust me.
Alright, good.
Not more when you're not playing than when you are.
Exactly. Yeah, we're going towards the south side to see how the game is all set up.
Wes, I got about 23 here.
Come down. Push it down. See how it goes.
That's how it has been.
This is competition.
Alright, same game, City Hall. Only second story, no wood line. I will watch your language.
Alright, I'm missing.
You guys want to go left
And
side?
no respawn, you have to wait for your medic, alright? So, medic, do your job and heal the wounded, alright? All you gotta do.
Yeah.
That and kill them. You ready?
How aggressive? I've got that aggressive.
You ready?
Yeah. Sure.
I got like south side said they're ready. Oh, come on.
Can we give him a compliment?
He has a lot more.
Oh, okay.
Get off of me.
All you're missing now is the carton of cigarettes.
Down below. Medic. Medic.
Yell a little louder. Medic!
Yell much louder.
Got a guy over here.
Medic! That's what I'm talking
There you
about.
go.
Sid, you're for you.
Yes.
Medic!
Hit.
Medic!
It's a red ray.
Come through.
Hey, I got security on that corner behind us.
Hey, you already got him.
What's that?
You already got him. Reset.
Yeah, I already got him.
Dang it. Hey, put your dip back where I go and go back over there. Good call.
One guy over there. Hey.
I'm on your six, bud.
Tree line's off limits, yes, it is.
What's up?
Tree line is off limits.
So for receiving fire from that way?
That's on the marshals, not me.
David!
Just shoot them till they're dead.
I think my motor just died.
I didn't get low, and I didn't even see that.
Are you alive? Yeah, but I think my motor died in my gun.
Oh no.
Why don't we have, if you're hit, walk back, dude? Why can't it just be elimination? Medics just make it complicated.
Exactly.
War is always complicated.
Alright, move it up.
Right around the edge of that cargo container. Right here. I can't. I saw something.
But all these guys are dead.
I'm not dead.
Yeah, he's our guy. He's facing
I'm not.
I think they are screwed. One and more. Ooh, I forgot that. We got plenty of snipers today out. He's setting up. He sets up. There we go. And here guys, we have airsoft news and been making.
I got it.
Right here.
Is he good?
Medic!
Not anymore. Hold fire coming in. Hold fire coming in.
David, how we looking?
Pretty much dead.
We got a lot of walk-ons still coming up, so.
I got all these guys. I got all the guys that came up on the contacts.
Hey, you busy?
Is Will in there with you?
We got there on them.
Oh, did we light Dave in the back?
Friendly fire happened, sadly.
Bueno, Manolito.
We have plenty of assault rifles, LMGs, and sniper rifles here at Ballahack Airsoft today. Let's see what all happens before we get to the wall.
¡No!